So by now, most of you should know, my name is Yusef Scott, and I want to welcome you to the Sodarneasyforex University. Alright, so as most of you should already know, my name is Yusef Scott, and I'm the guy behind the Sodarneasyforex University, also known as the Forex Goat Online. In fact, check out www.theforexgoat.com, alright? Now listen, as I always tell you guys, I'm very thankful and grateful to have you guys here on my YouTube channel, because look, you guys know there are tons of Forex YouTube channels here on YouTube. So you guys be watching someone else's content, so for you to be here watching my content, very thankful and very grateful for that, alright? Remember that if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button so you can catch all of my latest content, alright? Now remember also, follow us on social media, you know, Facebook and Instagram, okay? Now listen, I know that many of you are searching for YouTube videos here online, and you guys are wondering, you know, how can I learn how to trade Forex? How can I learn to get into the market at the right time, make the most money so I can take care of my family? You know, so I could live the lavish lifestyle. All of you are in search for the same thing. I totally get it. But I want to tell you guys two perfect ingredients, two very important ingredients, two ingredients of trading Forex that each trader should have. All right? And it's not so much about having that perfect entry all the time. Okay, these two ingredients that you guys must have, and I know most of you probably thinking, okay, he's about to say the perfect entry strategy and the senior trade strategy. Yes, those are strategies to get you into the trade and allow you to hold your trades. But two ingredients that you should have when trading Forex is patience and discipline. Okay, you cannot trade Forex successfully without those two. Okay, let's think about it for a second. If you know that your mentor told you you need to follow A, B, C, and D, and E to get into the market, but yet you're only going to follow A, B, and C, and you get into the market, well, you're not following the discipline, nor are you being patient. They go hand in hand. You have to have discipline, because that discipline means if you're following the discipline, you're going to follow the A, B, C, D, and E, okay? If you're getting into the market too early, then you're not following the discipline, nor are you being patient, okay? A lot of you wonder, how am I constantly, why am I constantly, what am I doing? Well, how, why, and what are you doing wrong? It's the fact that you're not following the discipline. You're not being patient, allowing the market to set up properly. Now, if you do not know how to trade and you're just trading on the whim, just randomly trading, then you don't have anything to follow. Okay? So you shouldn't even be trading Forex yet until you learn how to trade. Okay? And how do you know that you know how to trade? When you're consistently making profitable results. You're consistently making good trades. Okay? That's how you know. When you realize, okay, you know what, I'm on to something. You know? And I'm not talking about those you know, streaks where you just get lucky, like I did when I first got started. You know, threw $500 some in the account, 30 to 45 minutes later, I took the account to 1,800 just about. See, that was luck. I had no type of discipline. I didn't have a discipline. I didn't have patience or nothing. I just thought because the candle was going up, I'm going to ride it up. That's not right, okay? That isn't right. Because the next 30 minutes, everything that I had gained in the previous 30 to 45 minutes, it was gone. By the next morning, I was wiped out completely. So I didn't have any strategy, okay? So now that I have a strategy, see, I'm patient to wait for the setup. Because I know from historical data, I see when the market does A, B, C, D, and E, and then I get in, I know that every time I do that, every time I see the market do A, B, C, D, and E, the market is going to do a certain thing. 9 times out of 10 is going to do that. And even if it doesn't do that right away, eventually it will do that. So that's why your money management has to be in order. All right? This discipline is how I've been able to achieve success over and over again. All right? I'm going to show you guys the 𝐬𝐻. I'm trading the 𝐬𝐻. You guys can be amazed at how, you know, when you add in your perfect entry strategy, when you add in the standard trade strategy, when you add in your swap theory training that I have with my students, you can crush the market over and over again. I'm telling you guys, get used to being disciplined and being patient in the market. When you learn to have those two coupled with a solid entry strategy, and you know how to look at the market based on VPAS, the visual price action series that I train my students on, when you couple all that together, you put all that together and mush it together, you'll find success repeatedly. All right? Listen, as always, very thankful to have you guys here. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe, stay prayed up during these times. I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.